How often does this happen to you? You have an amazing project or an idea or product that is ready to share with other people. You know that you have the answers and the data to support them, but you can't help but feel overwhelmed. You're unsure of what to say or how the audience will respond to you. This can be nerve-wracking and is a common fear. The thought of speaking into a microphone is enough to inspire nightmares for many people. My name is Esther Choi, and I'm the President and Chief Story Facilitator of the Leadership Story Lab. Since 2010, I've coached thousands of executives to be more persuasive through the use of stories. There are a few basic storytelling skills that can instantly boost your confidence and help your audience put the information you're giving them to good use. A good place to start is to spark your audience's interest and critical thinking skills by using a hook. You can think of a hook in 3 different ways: conflict, contrast, and contradiction. Conflict is a clash of opposing needs. This can be complicated, like a mountain climber trying to conquer the summit during a snowstorm, or simple, like a child needing to get her mother's attention, but the mother needs to finish something important. Stories about beating the odds or resolving a difficult situation are always engaging. Contrast joins together 2 opposite things. For instance, the contrast of poverty and wealth. When these 2 opposites are joined right next to each other, they reveal something. What might we discover from having these very different things brought together? Contradiction rebels against your audience's expectations. It's something that stands out from an otherwise ordinary description or stereotype. This often comes up when introducing a normal story, perhaps relating a time when you saw someone kite surfing, and then surprising the audience with an added detail, such as the fact that the server was wearing a suit and tie while on the water. These 3 elements set the groundwork for interesting stories that will grab your audience's attention. Once your audience is completely engaged, they will be excited to hear more. Keep feeding their curiosity just enough to keep them interested, while also showing that you have the answers to their questions. Their interest will also help you stay relaxed and confident. Over the past 9 years, I've designed dozens of these effective and time-saving tools to help you become a more compelling storyteller. If you like more business storytelling tips and free resources, go to our website or contact us for a complimentary working session. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel.